So once you are here, your first job is to set the project information. To set the project information, go to the project tab over here. Click on it. After that, click on project information. Okay, so this you always do for all the projects. The first thing that you do is go to the project information. So here you have to input the project start date. Okay, so you can set this in the future or you can set it in the past. So today is 6/15/2024, and let's say that we start the project in July 1st. Then this is your starting date, and the current date you can see 6/15/24. And schedule from, you keep it project start date, and calendar, and you keep it as standard calendar. And we'll see how this calendar influences in a while. And click on OK.